Guys, we're driving off a 2020 Kenworth T680 here today. 459 on your miles. Excellent looking fleet maintained truck. I really like the interior on this truck. It's pretty decent rubber. It's got your MX-13 in there. It's Endurant 12-speed fully automatic. I really like this trim on the doors right here. Power windows, locks, mirrors. 459 on your miles. CD player. I really like the seat design in this truck. It is double bunk. You guys have a great day. Thank you, Tyler, for that. And we'll catch you guys on the next episode. Thank you guys for joining us.